Mae siarad efo rhywun yn ei iaith gyntaf yn fwy na geiriau iddyn nhw. Helo, Amy dwi'n gweithio fel gofalwr yn Cartref Glan Rhos. Nes I dewis gweithio yn y maes gofal I gallu helpu bobl bob dydd. There's various roles that we do here in Glan Rhos. We all work alongside each other, from the kitchen staff, the cleaners, social care workers and the nurses. Mae'n neis cael gweld pobl yn y bore, jyst I deud, bore da, hello, sut ydych chi? You get a lot of people who are very grateful for your work here and they thank you. Deffro rei bobl, wneud brecwast iddyn nhw, wedyn mae'n amser molchi. Da ni roed cinio rei bobl, da ni bwydo rei bobl. Mae rei bobl yn bwydo I hun. Amser panad, 3 o'clock. I definitely think that being bilingual has been very helpful in me getting a job within the care sector. Using the Welsh language while working with the elderly, it is important. A dwi'n hoffi siarad Cymraeg gyda nhw I wneud nhw teimlo mwy cyffyrddus. It's just nice to see that they are comfortable and they are able to speak their own language while being in a place that they call home. Speaking to somebody in their first language, it's more than just words. It does help you create a connection with them. We have workers here that have learnt Welsh while working. Mae yna rai bobl sy'n gallu siarad dipyn bach o Cymraeg a mae yna rei arall sydd yn dysgu'r iaith hefyd. Os da chi'n gwybod dipyn bach neu llawer o Cymraeg, mae'n gallu helpu chi cael swydd yn y maes gofal. Mae yna gyfleoedd I datblygu yn yr ôl. Da chi'n gallu cael training, dysgu sgiliau newydd a cael jobs gwahanol. Just seeing them happy day to day, it's very rewarding. Mae'n neis cael neud gwahaniaeth I bywyd rhywun arall a just I weld y gwyn ar eu gwyneb nhw bob dydd.